So here's a question I received recently. If you were born in Jamaica to American parents, and when you were born, your parents requested a CRBA, a certificate of birth abroad, from the American Embassy in Jamaica, claiming your American citizenship, you are still officially registered in Jamaica. All births in Jamaica are registered. The registrar's office would have received a duplicate of your birth registry, and that document is what you would use to apply for your Jamaican birth certificate to claim your Jamaican citizenship. This is as far as I know. So if you have lost your birth registration slip, you will have to contact the registrar's office to ensure that they did receive such a slip, and then you would use that to apply for your birth certificate and claim your Jamaican citizenship. As long as you're born on Jamaican soil, you are a Jamaican citizen, with the exception of persons born to diplomats. So I hope I've answered the gentleman's question. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.